In this video, we'll see how to make quick and easy mini pizza. Let's get started. To make the dough in a bowl, take 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida. You can also use whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, or you can also use curd, 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, a little salt as per your taste, half teaspoon oregano spice mix, or you can only use oregano, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoon oil. Now give everything a good mix. By adding a little water at a time, you need to make a medium soft dough. And just knead the dough after it comes together for 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, apply some oil and then cover it and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Resting of the dough is very important. 10 to 15 minutes is also fine. Keeping it for longer duration like 1 to 2 hours is also okay. After resting the dough, again knead for 10 to 15 seconds. And you would notice that the dough would become nice and smooth. Divide the dough into small equal sized portions. You can see I have made 7 portions of this dough, and now we are going to roll these. Roll each dough like a puri, and you need to keep it a little thicker than a puri. Now cook this pizza base at medium flame in your pan or tawa on both the sides. I forgot to prick the base with a fork, so doing it now, but you need to do it before you put the base on your tawa or pan. Otherwise, it may puff like a puri or roti. You can first prepare all the base, and if you want, you can store these in an airtight container in your refrigerator, and these would stay good up to 2 to 3 days. So here are my pizza base, 7 pizza base, which I had kept in a cotton cloth so that it absorbs all the steam and moisture. And if you want, you can store these in an airtight container in your refrigerator, and these would stay good up to 2 to 3 days. To prepare a quick pizza sauce, I'm taking ketchup and some chili sauce. Now add chopped garlic, around 2 to 3 medium-sized cloves. Give this a good mix. If you want, you can also use ready-made pizza sauce, or you can make a proper pizza sauce by cooking tomatoes and everything, just like I've done in my other pizza recipes. You can also use makhani sauce, which I've used in my makhani pizza. Now apply some sauce to the base. Put some mozzarella cheese. If you do not have mozzarella, you can use the processed cheese or any cheese which you have available at your home. I'm adding some olives, capsicum, onion. You can add corn or any other veggies of your choice. Now it's time to put these mini pizzas in a pan. Keeping the flame low, you need to cover and cook so that the base gets a nice browning as well as the cheese melts. Yeah, but before that, I'm adding extra virgin olive oil. I really like the taste of extra virgin olive oil in my pizzas, pastas. It tastes fantastic. You can see the cheese has melted and the pizza looks fantastic. Some more oregano spice mix or only oregano. I'm going to post a recipe of this oregano spice mix soon, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, you can also use whole wheat flour, that is गेहूं का आटा, to make the pizza base. Wow, looks delicious and it tastes delicious. Now I'm going to make the remaining 4 pizzas in my oven. So I'm repeating all the steps: pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese and some toppings. And meanwhile my OTG is preheating at 200 degrees Celsius. You need to preheat it for 10 minutes, so I've set the timer as 10 minutes. So it's 200 degrees Celsius, the pizza would not take a lot of time. Keep a watch, otherwise you might end up eating biscuits. Don't get confused by looking at the timer of 20 minutes on the screen, because I do that a lot of times, but I keep a check on the time using my mobile phone. Look at the delicious pizza. Some cheese and topping fell off, but I think that's okay. You can also drizzle some olive oil here. Extra virgin olive oil tastes fantastic. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!